Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need two things first: an up-to-date Edge and accessible PDF files. Once ready, open Edge and go straight to Settings, then Cookies and Site Permissions, and find PDF documents. You're doing this because the built-in reader can be blocked by an external open toggle, disabling that lets Edge preview PDFs in the browser. Make sure to keep Windows' default PDF associations in mind, since those can override browser behavior, and then proceed to flip the reader setting. Now, toggle off the option labeled Always Open PDF Files externally. Once done, open any PDF link or local file in Edge to confirm it displays inside a browser tab. You'll see why this matters. The built-in reader supports highlighting, annotations, read aloud, and faster previewing without external app overhead. If you want annotation tools, click the pen or highlighter icons in the toolbar. Make sure to test keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+P. For printing, finish by making Edge the default PDF handler in Windows settings. Apps default apps choose PDF and pick Microsoft Edge. This guarantees double-clicked files open in the browser. If the built-in reader still fails, disable extensions that alter downloads or PDF behavior, then reload the file. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear Edge's cache or reset site permissions for the PDF page. Sometimes stale data or blocked permissions prevent the viewer from initializing. If needed, update Edge and restart Windows to apply changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.